Okay, good morning. I'm Kila Hermayanti, and I'm here to present the result of the ebook that I have analyzed before. Here I take the 10th grade ebook with the title Warm Words for Bright Moments. And this is the cover ebook dari kurikulum 2013 atau yang biasa kita kenal dengan Kurtilas. In the introduction, there is a model identity consisting of the type of subject, class, duration of learning, time, and the model title. Then there are core competencies which consist of developing student behavior. Then there are basic competencies about analyzing from social function to how to compose and explain a context in sentence form. Then there is a brief description of the material from this ebook which contains. In this unit we'll learn about response to transactional and interpersonal dialogue that involve congratulating and complimenting others particularly in various social contexts, and produce transactional and interpersonal dialogue to express congratulation and compliment along with proper response both formally and informally. And by the way, I chose chapter 2 from this ebook. Then there are instructions on how to use this module, namely that learners will be invited to practice being able to communicate transactionally and interpersonally using greeting and introducing themselves. And the next part is learning materials. The social function is to congratulate others on their achievement or special moments. Okay, in the next part is learning material, and social function is to congratulate others on their achievement or special moments, to compliment others on their appearance, abilities, or possession, to respond appropriately to congratulation and compliments, and the last is to build positive social interaction through kind and appreciative language. And the next is structured text, seperti dialog ucapan selamat dan pujian atau dialogues of congratulation and compliments. The example is opening is like greeting or context setting. For exchange is expressing congratulation or compliments and giving response, and closing is like friendly closure. And the congratulation card is opening line expression of joy, and the body is reason for congratulation or appreciation, and the closing text is hope or good wishes. For the language features, menggunakan tenses seperti simple present tense. The example is you look great, and the simple past tense you did it, and the present perfect tense like you have done a great job. This adjective is like beautiful, nice, excellent, amazing, wonderful, great, and impressive. And the topic is giving and receiving gifts or surprise, special moment like birthday, graduation, winning contest, and the last topic is achievement in school like competition and exam. Activities Unit 1 in the title Good Job, Great Look. Di sini sudah ada tujuan untuk pembelajarannya yang sudah dibuat, serta ada uraian materi, dan ada pun pembelajaran yang akan kita pelajari di modul ini. Uraian materinya adalah seperti mempelajari atau menganalisis kalimat congratulations your achievement, happy birthday, well done you did it, and congratulations on your wedding. Nanti akan dipelajari di halaman selanjutnya beserta dengan contoh-contoh soal serta kunci jawabannya. Congratulating and complimenting others, and this is the first example question is vocabulary builders and pronunciation practice. On this page, there is an example of a learning practice dialogue with the phrase congratulations. On this page, we get instruction from the model to develop the content of the dialogue, and the sentence that I put in red is an additional question that I have made myself. On this page, we have an example to vocabulary exercise. And here is an example of a problem that we will work on or answer. This module on this page also has a speaking section, so it's not just reading and listening. And this is the first example question from speaking part. And on this page, we also has a writing section, right? And this is the example question. Okay, in this page, we have the answer key, and the first answer key is vocabulary builder, and we have instruction write down the English word for the following Indonesian word. Jadi kita disuruh untuk mentranslate ke dalam bahasa Indonesia, dan ini adalah jawabannya yang berada di dalam tabel yang sudah menjadi dua bagian atau dua kelompok, ada yang bahasa Inggris dan bahasa Indonesia, dan ini artinya yang Indonesia, ini bahasa Inggris, seperti itu. From the answer key to the task for section, I have given all the answer keys to 10 question, and for the sentence marked in red are the answer key to the question that I add or develop again. On the task 5 is congratulation expression. Jadi di sini instruksinya adalah ketika kalimat congratulating expressionnya, apa ya responnya akan kita berikan ke lawan bicara, dan di sini sudah saya buatkan dua tabel, dan ada responnya dan ada juga kalimat congratulating expressionnya. Congratulating expression, the example is congratulations, you deserve it, man. Response is thank you very much, your support means a lot. And then congratulating expression, I am very happy for you, Alif. And response and this response is thank you, I cannot forget your collaboration with me, and seterusnya. And the answer key part vocabulary exercise sudah saya buat juga dari task 1, task 2, dan ada conversation kedua juga. In the answer key for the writing section, we are directed to make sentence to write a letter from the picture that has been present. Tadi ada kan beberapa gambar yang gambar rumah dan gambar yang lain-lain. Nah, di sini tuh kita disuruh buat sebuah kalimat surat, dan di sini sudah ada kunci jawabannya. Seperti yang di nomor 2 yang berisikan Dear sister, congratulations on your graduation. I'm so proud of you and your amazing achievement. I know you will become the best chef and your restaurant will be a big success. Wishing you all the best for your future. Seperti itu. Jadi membuat sebuah kalimat sesuai dengan gambar yang telah disajikan. And the last answer key is speaking section, and the compliments. We have situation 1, 2, 3, 4 until number 8. And the last answer key is speaking section, and we have the compliments situation 1, 2, 3 until situation 8. And the example from situation 1 is, wow, your new haircut looks amazing. It really suits you. Thank you so much. I was not sure at first, but I'm glad you like it. Okay, well, maybe enough until here my presentation. Apologize if there are still many mistakes and shortcomings. And thank you so much.